on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Jack Zach. We have a very special treat for you today. It's a protein-packed recipe. We are going to be doing breakfast for dinner. We are going to be making some protein pancakes along with some turkey bacon and some eggs. Alright, let's go over what we're going to be using today. So today for our protein pancakes, we're going to be using Birch Bender's protein pancakes. That's going to be 16 grams of protein per 1 cup. We're going to be using 3/4 cup of almond milk to mix it with. We also have some eggs that we're going to be doing some scrambled eggs with. Got 5 eggs. And we also have butterball turkey bacon. So, got to keep it healthy. Alright, let's start making our pancakes. We're going to first add in our protein pancake powder. And now we're going to be adding in our 3/4 cup of almond milk. And now, let's get that all mixed together. And this should make about 6 to 8 protein pancakes. And once we have this all mixed together, we are going to heat up our skillet and get these pancakes cooking. Alright, our skillet's heated up. Now it's time to add in the protein pancakes. See if you can do about 4 inches. That should be good. Now, we wait. Time to flip. Perfect. Alright, now so you're going to keep doing this process until your protein pancake mix is done. Now we're going to get on to making the eggs and the bacon. We can cook the eggs and the bacon at the same time so you got less time spent in the kitchen. So you are definitely going to be cooking this in 30 minutes or less. Now it's time to add in the bacon and our eggs. So first, let's get our turkey bacon going. Hold on, there we go. Gotta get it right. Who doesn't like breakfast for dinner, right? I know I do. Now let's add our eggs. Here we got 5 eggs. We're gonna add that to our skillet here. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so let's get that cooking right now, and we'll be right back. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Eggs are done, and we are going to plate our eggs. Now this is a great meal for 2, you guys. Yeah, buddy. Remember, this is a protein-packed breakfast, or I should say dinner, and this is going to be amazing. Our bacon is done, and we are ready to plate, and we are almost ready to eat. Let's get these last 2 strips of bacon onto our plate here. We are all done, and we are ready to eat. Look how good this looks. So, all I need to do now is just need to season up my eggs with a little salt and pepper and my favorite Cholula hot sauce. And I cannot forget to top it all off with some maple syrup. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Jack Zach. If you haven't already subscribed to Jack Zach, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you never miss one episode of Cooking with Jack Zach.